Hey everyone, my name is Mario and I'm a cook here at one of the Red Robins here in Denver. I know many of you have probably been hearing a lot about binary options lately. I myself have actually been trading binary options for about a year now, and I have, in fact, come across some softwares that were supposedly meant to increase the odds of winning. Honestly, most of them didn't really work all that well for me up until now. That's why I was a bit skeptical at first when I heard about the binary cash creator. But it was a really good friend of mine who recommended it and suggested I be a part of this pilot. So I thought, what the hell? I'll give it a shot. Since this guy is really my binary options mentor and has made a lot of money with it. So I downloaded the software to my PC, and you can already see it here. You can see that even though the system offers many signals, which can be a bit confusing at times, the high percentage of accuracy by the system helped me get almost all of my trades right immediately. To be honest, I really did not believe it would go as smoothly as it did. But look, you can see for yourself. This actually works and makes me money day after day. In less than 5 minutes, I've made over an average day's salary for most people. And let's have one session using the software so you'll be able to see for yourself. So here we are. I have already logged into my BCC and broker account. I'll pick one of the many active signals. They are all strong, so I can easily handpick one of them. Let's choose the gold commodity. On the broker site, we have many different terms to choose from. The time period until expiration is 1 to 5 minutes, and that's a perfect time frame to use for the purposes of this video. So we have more than enough time to place the trade. I'll choose the gold commodity from the asset list, and since the direction of the trade is going up, I've decided to place $200 on this trade and click the call button. I've now placed the trade, and it only took me about 15 seconds to do it. Since the gold is looking pretty good today, and the BCC predicts it will continue to go up for some time, I'm going to change the expiry time from 60 seconds to 120 seconds and put another $200 on the up direction using the call button. I've now placed both trades, and it only took me about 20 seconds to do it. When the color of the trades is green, it means we are in the money, meaning that our trades are on the right direction. Otherwise, they would be red. Simple. So now we'll just wait for the timer to run out and see if BCC predicted correctly. You'll see the trade fluctuating for a few seconds until it expires. And just as BCC predicted, our first trade just expired and we are obviously in the money. The trade did in fact go up, and the payout is $336. And just as BCC predicted, again, our second trade just expired and we are of course in the money. The trade did in fact go up, just as the previous one, and the payout is $420. So to recap then, for the first trade we invested $200, right? And the return was $336, meaning we made a profit of $136. For the second trade, we invested another $200, and the return was $420, meaning we made a profit of $220. So all in all, we made $356 in less than 5 minutes. Hey everyone, it's me again. I actually haven't traded for a while now since I was really busy, but still, I went back to trading yesterday and I managed to gain over $500 in less than a day. Not bad, huh? Let's just see how this day turns out. Hello. It's Mario again. And today I'm really excited, you guys. This is my 6th week of trading with the Binary Cash Creator, and I have to tell you, the results are really above and beyond my wildest expectations. I managed to triple my profits while still investing the same amount of time as I did before, maybe even less. And this is a big deal for me because I really don't have much spare time. So I'm spending less time trading than I used to, right? But I managed to gain over $3,000 in a week, which is by far more than I ever did when I was simply trading by myself or using other softwares. I mean, can you believe it? This is so awesome. Hey guys, Mario here. Look, this is my last session I'm going to be recording, so I wanted to take this opportunity to thank my trader friend who introduced me to the Binary Cash Creator. Thanks, Rob, for convincing me to try it, even though I was a skeptical nag. I made over $5,200 total using the software in a matter of weeks, and to be honest, I really needed the money. So cheers, Rob, and thank you guys at Binary Cash Creator.